Welcome to Wolfe Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta. Today we got this beautiful 2020 Terrain SLT. Beautiful looking vehicle powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Right away in the interior here, we do the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We do have your power windows, mirrors, memory seating and locks, as well as the electronic parking brake and your dial for your power tailgate. Beautiful looking interior. Only 19 kilometers on the odometer here. 8-inch touchscreen for your Apple CarPlay as well as your navigation, audio controls. We got our heat and AC. That is how you change your gears there. Park, reverse, neutral, drive. Heated seats, 4x4 system, jet black leather interior. Beautiful. Now moving on to the exterior of this Terrain, we have lots of options. We've got the running boards, we have the roof rails and roof bars up top as well. The blackout package with the SLT, so the black rims, black badging all around, remote start, keyless entry, trailer tow hitch already installed, dual chrome exhaust tips, black GMC badging as well, LED headlights and tail lamps. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. If you think this is your next SUV, come down and see us here at 707 Railway Avenue, Canmore for Wolfe Canmore.